Good morning children. Hope all of you are enjoying the videos. So this is Chandrika ma'am again with you another exciting activity. Let's take a look how to draw a beautiful painting with line art. So let's start and see the step-by-step procedure of making line art. Line is a mark made using a drawing tool or brush. There are types of line: thick line, thin line, horizontal line, vertical, zigzag, diagonal line, curly line, curved line, spiral line. Oh my god, so many. Line art or line drawing is any image that consists of distinct straight or curved lines placed against a background. For this activity, you need one white page. This kind of page. You can take it from your art file or take any chart paper also. One marker or gel pen. I have taken a gel pen. Green, watercolor, green, red, chrome or lemon yellow. Anything you can take. Brown and black color. Okay, so let's start to draw a bird. Now, while drawing a bird, the first thing is you have to notice that is the angle. Always observe the angle the bird is sitting, because all the species have the different angle of their body. You know, different species and different angle. Now, make 120-degree obtuse angle starting now. I'll draw 120-degree obtuse angle. Use your pencil very lightly so that we can erase it. Angle, and starting from the obtuse angle, draw a semicircle to the end of the other side. Okay, so start to make a semicircle like this. Okay, now connect to the end of the to the end of the one kidney like structure. Like this. Okay. Now, eye is very important thing. Eye and beak will be on same line. Now make eye on this part, and the same eye and beak you have to make on same line. Okay. Now angle of the tail. Draw the complete tail. This is the angle of the tail. Now outline. See, in this drawing, I am going to make a outline in Madhubani style. Okay, Madhubani painting style. So, first of all, erase your guidelines. And then I'll start to draw the outlines. Okay, now start making the branch. Leaves and another leaves will be like this. Now start making semicircles from one corner. First semicircle, double line, because I am going to draw the outline just like Madhubani style. So start from the center, you have to draw another semicircle. From the center draw another semicircle and connect it from here. And from the center again same thing will repeat it. Semicircle, now complete your semicircle like this, and now we will start draw lines from the corner. Take your gel pen. I don't have gel pen, so I have taken a glitter pen. So your line, with the help of scale, draw the line like this and start making outlines. See, entire semicircles will be like this. Okay, now let's start the drawing the outlines, and then I'll show how to color.